Homework, ma'am, yesterday's.
Yeah, I saw it. Some mistakes, some corrections I have to do regarding it. So let me just once discuss about yesterday's part, yesterday's homework. After that, I'm going to 24th page. Okay, let me discuss about co-primes. Okay, the things, the bits regarding this 25 page, everything we have discussed. Only the thing is we have to discuss about co-primes. Okay, let us discuss.
Ma'am, I did.
Let us go to 24th.
Ma'am, I did.
You did it. If you did it, no problem. Good. But try to send me the pics regularly. So many of you have not sent the pics, homework pics yesterday also. Try to send me the pics regularly. Now, Kirtana, your video is okay this today? Okay. Okay, then fine. Ritvik, are you ready with your course book? Unit 1 course book is there? Ritvik, can you hear me? Show your thumb. Raise your thumb if you can hear me clearly. Yes, okay. Let's start, children. Don't write anything. As you are ready with your course books, just listen to me and you can attempt the 25th J bit, 25th page J bit. Co-prime numbers. What are co-primes? You can say them as co-primes or co-prime numbers. What are co-primes? Try to on your videos, all of you. On it. You have come today. You were absent since 2 days, right? Try to attend regularly. On your videos, children. Yeah, I can see you on it now. So let's discuss about co-primes. What are co-primes? See, don't match these co-primes to prime numbers. Prime numbers are different, co-primes are different. What are co-primes actually? See, if you take some numbers, if we take two numbers, suppose, you know how to find out factors for them, right? You people know. Nanda Kishore, are you listening to me? Listen carefully, okay? Ritvik, sit properly. Sit properly. Now listen carefully. You all know how to extract factors for given numbers, right? And after that, you know how to extract common factors from them, right? Okay. See, if you consider these common factors for given numbers, for a prime numbers, how to find co-prime numbers means there will be a common factor of 1 only. If you consider certain numbers, you find only a common factor of 1, right? The common factor between those numbers will be only 1. Other than that, you will not find any other common factor. Let us take one example. Let me take a pair of numbers. See, 25 is there and 24 is there. These are consecutive numbers, right? Consecutive numbers means one after the other. 24 and 25. 24 after 25. These are consecutive numbers, as well as we cannot find any common factor in it other than 1. What are the factors for 24 here? If you start from 2 onwards, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, not 3, sorry. Yes, 3 itself. 3. So the prime factors for this 24 are what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. What are the prime factors? And we can also include 1 here. What are the prime factors for 25? 1 into 5 into 5. See, we got all the prime factors here, but can we find any common factor in it other than 1? Only we can see 1 as common factor. Other than 1, we cannot find any other common factor, right? Such kind of numbers are called what? Co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Let's take 2 and 4. Tell me, 2 and 4 are co-primes? Tell me yes or no. If it is no, you can show like this. If it is yes, you can show like this, everyone. I want to check for everyone. Sahindra, I can see your face only. Adrika, where is the sign? Is it raised thumb or down? Okay. What about others? Open your videos, all of you. Why, Shishira? Primes, co-primes? 2 and 4 are co-primes? Okay, now put down your hands, all of you. Yeah, I'll be clearing your doubt here. See, what are the factors for 2 here? 1 and 2, right? Coming to 4. 1 into 2 into 2. See here, 1 is a common factor of 2 and 4. Other than 1 here, we find 2 also as common factor. In such cases, we should not consider these numbers as co-primes. Okay, these are not co-primes. Understood? Only the numbers, if you consider the some certain numbers, we should find only one as a common factor. Other than that, we should not find any other common factors. Got it? On your videos, all of you. So here, open coursebook page 25. J-bit dash are co-prime numbers. Dash are co-prime numbers. What are the options given here? J-bit. I think you all have done till I-bit, right? Any doubts any doubts arised in this page till I-bit? Completed, Adrika? No doubts? Okay. See, let us look at the options here. 48 and 52. By just looking at the numbers itself, you can find one factor other than 1. What is that? Anybody want to say? Ritvik?
No, ma'am.
Tell me, what is that? No, ma'am? For what you said no, ma'am? Don't know.
I
Okay.
don't know that answer.
Tell me, 48 and 52 are not co-primes, you are saying?
Yes.
Is it correct? Why?
Ma'am?
48 and 52 are not co-primes or co-primes? They are co-primes or not co-primes?
Not true.
Why? Where are you, Ritvik? Yes, tell me, Ritvik.
Ma'am, I didn't understood the topic, ma'am.
What you are doing then?
Isn't
While I'm explaining, I know that you didn't understand. That's why I have pointed you. What you were doing before? What are co-primes? Just now I explained, right?
Yes.
Yes, Ritvik?
Yes,
Put
ma'am.
concentration over here only. Don't divert anywhere. Got it? For everybody's sake, I'm explaining you people again. Listen carefully, all of you. What are co-primes? If you consider certain numbers, either there may be 2, 3 or 4, any of the numbers if you consider, you should find a common factor of 1 only. Got it? You should find a common factor of 1 only. Other than that, you should not find any other common factors. Suppose I'm going to consider 3 numbers. 13 I have considered. Next 25 I have considered. Next 28 I have considered here. 3 numbers I have considered. See, what are the factors for 13 here? As 13 is a prime number, you will get the factors of 1 and itself, right? What are the factors for 25? 1 into 5 into 5. What are the factors for prime factors? You can say prime factors also. What are the prime factors here for 28? 1 into 2 into 2 into 7. Right, children? Check it out once again, all of you. Siri, do you have any doubt? You have any doubt? Siri, you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Then listen carefully, okay? If you have any doubt, you can clear it right now itself. No doubt, no till here? Okay, listen. So the prime factors here we got are these ones, okay? 1 into 13, 1 into 5 into 5, 1 into 2 into 2 into 7. See, do you find any common factor here? You people can find any common factor out of all these numbers? Only one. Yes, last year is showing. Everybody can show like that. Yes, only one you can see. One is a common factor for all these three numbers, but we cannot find any other number as common other than one, right? So these three numbers are co-primes. See, generally, mostly we used to consider a pair of numbers only. Mostly in textbook or course books, mostly we use pair of numbers only. So you people may get a doubt like, not only two numbers, can we consider three or more than numbers also? Means you can consider. If you consider certain number of numbers, you must find a common factor of one only. Other than that, you should not find any other common factor. Got it? Got it, children? Now let's go to course book page 24. Now tell me, Ritvik. I'll come to you only again. Ritvik, tell me, is 48 and 52 are co-primes? Unmute yourself. Tell me now.
Ma'am, what is the question?
You were sleeping? Yes. When I point out to you only, you will listen. Otherwise, you will not listen. Ritvik, what was the question? You only tell now. What was the question? You only tell now what was the question and what is the answer for it. I already intimated to listen carefully, right? Sitting simply in front of camera is not okay. Tell me, Ritvik. See, tell me, A bit 48 and 52 is there. 48, 52 are co-primes or not co-primes? Make it fast. Don't make me waste time here. Ritvik. Ritvik, are you there? Yeah, see, everybody are ready to answer now. Only you are making it late.
Yes, ma'am.
Most of the children are raising hand to answer this. Ritvik, you want to tell the answer or not? Yes, Dia, tell me. 48 and 52 are co-primes?
No, ma'am.
Tell me the reason.
Ma'am, because it is the 2 is a common factor.
Very good. See, as we can see, even numbers there, pair of even numbers are given. For even numbers, 2 is definitely will be a factor for those numbers, right? So you can easily guess that those are not co-primes. Coming to next one, 8 and 16. Hamsika. 8 and 16 are co-primes. Nandakishore. Nandakishore. Okay, Vishrut, on your videos, all of you. Vishrut.
Not a common co-prime because 2 is common factor.
Very good. In this manner, you people have to tell immediate response must be there. Good. Now, next. Siri, 31 and 49.
Common factor, ma'am. That is co-prime number, ma'am.
Yes, co-primes. These are co-primes. Why? Because you cannot find any common factor for these two, right? 31 is a prime number. So we will get only 1 and 31 itself as factors. For 49, we get 1 into 7 into 7, right? Other than this one, you cannot find any other common factor here. Got it? So 31 and 49 are co-prime numbers. Write down all of you. Let's discuss about 24th page now. All of you come to before page. Come to before page 24. Fill in the blanks. A bit. The multiples of 6 between 20 and 40 are what, children? Multiples of 6 between 20 and 40. You people will be getting so many multiples for a given number, right? Infinite number of multiples will be there for a certain number. But here he is asking to find the multiples of 6 between 20 and 40.
Ma'am, 24, 30, 36.
Who is this? Vishnu?
Yes, ma'am.
I muted Lasya to ask. Unmuted just now. You have told. But whoever going to say the answer, just mute yourself again. Okay. So the multiples between 24 and 20 and 40 are what? 24, 30 and 36. These three multiples only you will be getting. We all have already discussed about multiples, right? So you will not feel any kind of confusion to extract these multiples here. Any doubt, children? Anybody is having doubt how you got these multiples? No. Let's go to next one. 3 odd multiples of 7 are 3 odd multiples of 7. See, in these multiples of 7, you will be finding some even numbers as well as odd numbers, right? Any 3 odd multiples, you people have to say. Vaishali is going to say the answer. Vaishali. Pen. Black not there. Pen. Blue is there. Sahasra. Okay. I have blue, you can take. Sahasra, tell me the answer fast. Quick response should be there. Just simply sitting in front of camera is not okay, right? You should listen carefully and you should get ready to answer. See, Pradham is raising hand to say the answer. Abdur, you have
21,
attended the class in the middle.
and 9.
21?
Ma'am, 15.
15? 15? 3 odd multiples of 7. See, always you will be getting confused with the question. He asked 3 odd multiples of 7, not 7 odd multiples of 3. 3 odd multiples of 7. Try once again. Yes, 7. Make it fast.
7, 20. 15
Yes, Abdur, how are you, Abdur? On your video, how are you, Abdur?
ఇక్కడ ఏం రాలేదు.
Fine.
చెప్పినాను.
Your health is okay now?
15 ఒక్కటి రాంగండి ఎందుకు?
Yes, you can get ready with your course books. Unit 1 course book is only going on right now. As you have came from the middle, I am intimating you to open your course book. Unit 1 course book right now. 24th page. Pradham, you
Correct
know the
answer.
multiples of 3, right? Tell me
Yes,
any
ma'am.
3 multiples of 3. Sorry, 7. Any 3 multiples of 7 you say? Fast.
21, 36,
36.
7.
36. 36 is a multiple of 7. You know 7 table? Tell me 7 table fast. Tell me 7 table. See, when you tell the 7 table, I'll be writing the multi. Come back, Kirtana. Come and sit in your place. See, while you're saying this multiples of 7, I'll be writing here. Make it fast. Pradham, you know 7 table, right? Then why you're hesitating to say, where are you? Connection is gone. Jayveer? Jayveer? Are you
Yes,
there,
ma'am.
Jayveer? Good morning.
Good morning.
Tell me 7 table.
7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 28,
7 3 is 21.
7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 7 5 is
28.
28, 7 5 is 40, 7 6 is
7 5 is 35.
7 5 is 35, 7 6 7 7 is 40,
You people should be very perfect in tables first of all. You people read tables also today along with today's work. Tomorrow I'll be asking each and every person. Even I may ask you from the middle, like 8 7s are is how much, 9 8s are is how much, like that way also I'll be asking you people. During these holidays, daily you will be at home, right? You will be getting a lot of time to practice these basics also, right children? Try to practice and get perfect in tables first of all. I know most of you all are perfect, but even then you should be in touch with tables always. Okay, 7 7s are is 49, 7 8s are is 56, 7 9s are is 63, 7 10s are 70. Here we need only odd numbers. We find some even numbers also, right? Let's take 7. Here is an odd number. 21 is an odd number and 35 is an odd number. So I have chosen these odd multiples. Not only this is also odd, but he asked only first 3 odd, not 3 odd multiples. So we have chosen 7, 21 and 35. Write down all of you. It's 7, 25 and 31. Course book page 24. First fill in the blanks. A bit, B bit is 7, 21 and 35. Coming to C bit, 5 7s are is 35. So 5 and 7 are dash of 35. Adrika. 5 and 7 are dash of 35.
5 and 7 are factors.
Very good. Good. Write down. Factors. Factors of 35. Since 35 is a multiple of 5 and 7, 5 and 7 are the factors of 35. Got it, children? Factors. Are you writing, Ritvik? Completed 3 bits? Tell me the third answer.
Third answer, 5 into 7.
5 and 7 are the dash of 35. Make it fast, Ritvik. So, see, you should be alert. As you are sitting in front of camera and as you are listening to the classes, you should be very much alert, I'm saying. Even your voice is getting stuck here.
Okay.
Now, listen. Coming to debate, 11 into 8 is 88. So, 88 is a dash of 11 and 8. Sahindra. 11 into 8 is 88. 88 is a dash of 11 and 8. Just now we discussed about those topics, so you can say it easily. You know or don't know, just lower your thumb if you don't know. You want to try? Make it fast. Ashank, Pratik, Sishira, you all open your videos. Ashank, tell me the answer.
Ma'am?
Tell me the answer. You are not near the camera. You are not listening to the classes. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Here only.
Then tell me the answer fast.
Ma'am,
Quick
factors.
response. Quick response must be there. See, 11 D bit. 11 into 88 is 88. So 88 is a dash of 11 and 8.
Factors, ma'am.
Factors, huh? 11. Are you looking at the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the question once.
88.
Make it fast. Read the question.
Dash of 11.
11 into 8 is equal to 88.
Yes.
88 is a dash of 11 and 8.
Yes. 88 is what here?
Multiple, ma'am.
So that's why you have to listen carefully. I expected this answer from you because you got diverted. You cannot able to reply me properly. So that's why don't divert children. All of you, for everyone, I am saying this. EBIT. A number can have at least dash factors. Rishin. Rishin, are you there? Rishin,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the
Yes,
answer.
ma'am.
Tell me the answer. A number can have at least dash factors. You people, everybody is just muting your videos. Yes, tell me. Ashank, off your video. Sorry, unmute yourself.
I can't understand.
Mute yourself. Sorry. Rishin,
Ma'am, I can't understand.
what you can't understand? First, on your video.
What?
On your video, Nana.
Ma'am.
Have you on it?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me then. I cannot see you. Yes, I can see you now. Tell
It's
me the
breaking,
answer.
ma'am. Your voice is breaking, ma'am.
My voice is breaking. How then you should change the place, right? Yesterday also I said the same thing. You change your place. From there you sit in some other place. Yes, who is this? Vaishali. Tell me, tell me. A number can have at least dash factors. Make it fast, children. Here we are wasting our time a lot. Vaishali, you people must be ready for a quick response. I'm saying seriously. Vaishali, are you there? You're under the camera, not near in front of the camera. 5. At least means minimum. How many factors will be there for every number? For every number, whatever they may be, prime numbers or composite numbers. Composite numbers have more than 2 factors, right? More than 2 factors. But prime numbers have how many factors? 2 factors only, right? So a number, if you consider any kind of number, it has at least how many factors? Yeah, so many of you are showing the lip movement. I can understand. Diya is showing, Lasya is showing, Siri is showing. And remaining all have muted your videos. Yeah, you are also showing. Sahasra, what about you? Yeah, okay. Sishira. Okay, so many of you are answering me. Vaishali, it's 2. Minimum 2 factors will be there for every number. 1 and itself will be there. right? 1 and itself will be the factor for every number. Other than that, for composite numbers, you find more than 2 factors. Coming to F bit, dash and dash are the factors of 91 other than 1 and the number itself. See, for you have to find out the factors for 91 here, but he is saying that other than 1 and itself. See, you all know that 1 and 95 are the factors for 91. Other than these two, what the other factors you get for 91? How you will check? You can check by this division method also. See, you cannot divide this 91 by 2 as it is an odd number here. You can start by 3, but 3 is also not possible. You cannot divide 91 by 3 also. Got it? Go to 4, 5. See, divisibility rules you can apply here. 6 also. 7. Coming to 7 here, we have 7 ones are 7. 2 remains in 9. 2 1 is 21. So 7 threes are is 21. So what are the factors here you got? Other than this 1 and 91, we have 7 and 13 also. Got it? 7 and 13 also are the factors for 91. Write down 7 and 13. F bit is what? 7, 13. Mute all of you. Next, 2 is a factor of what? See, I need the answer, this correct answer from everyone's. Manaswini. Tell Nana. 2 is a factor of all dash numbers. Yes? Yes, yes. 2 is a factor of all dash numbers. What kind of numbers? 2 is a factor for every number. Yeah, I know you people can say those are raising hand. Ritvik will say the answer for this again. Tell me, Nana, fast. At least you give the quick response for this at least.
Ma'am, what is the question, ma'am?
Why? You don't have course book with you?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
See on the screen, if you cannot able to hear me clearly, at least you can see the screen, right? There is F bit there. Can't you see the question in the F bit?
Yeah. No. Yes, ma'am, I can see 7 and 13.
No, just now you saw that. After that, I kept F bit right there.
Ma'am, I was opening like this, ma'am.
You try the question now. Don't waste with this kind of discussions. Tell me the question. Make it fast, Ritvik. I have given you 4 chances today. See, everybody is excited to tell the answer here. Ritvik, I know you can say this answer, but you are not putting concentration over there. 2 is a factor of dash numbers. 2 is a factor of all dash numbers. Yuvan, do you want to say the answer? You see, everybody is ready. Some of you have muted yourself. I'm going to ask the persons who have muted. Rushil, are you there? Azmina, are you there? Azmina and Rushil?